Preventative maintenance is another sort of common ROI statement that people look at. The basic premise is simple, right? You detect a problem and fix it before the machine breaks. So when I worked with people working through this business case, the main challenges they get through is, can you detect all the failures? Can you actually repair it remotely? Can what's the actual value there? And in some cases, there's a lot of just alternatives, right? Rather than inventing a bunch of technology to remotely connect to the machine, you can just create a checklist and say, okay, every quarter, this is a checklist of things you got to do. And so we worked with a client who was in a similar situation, right? So we worked with Kodak with all their retail photo machines, and what happened with them was, if the machine broke for any reason, somebody would tape like an out of order sign on it, basically like a closed for business kind of sign as far as they were concerned, where whatever the reason was, that machine was closed and they essentially lost revenue, and they had to send someone on site to do that. So instead of inventing so a preventive maintenance program was effective, was a good idea, but on its own, the ROI numbers didn't work for proactively connecting to these machines. What was successful for them was they looked at it from what they consider a proactive model. So it's not just monitoring for failure conditions, but other scenarios as well. So what they looked at it was to remotely monitor these machines, so basically when the paper was out, that kind of stuff. They're remotely updated. So now they're able to do seasonal updates, pricing updates, changes in capabilities and features remotely rather than sending someone on site. The maintenance and analytics around this data was also huge for them as well, because they could compare sales and consumer patterns across stores or across regions. And those things allowed them to create marketing programs that they could leverage across retailers. So for them, their benefit was increased productivity. They call it increased productivity. It's actually for them an increase in sales, because increased productivity of the machines, increase in sales of paper. But they eliminated a whole lot of operational costs around a proactive, ongoing monitoring capability, rather than just a strict, preventive maintenance sort of program, running on a odometer kind of concept. This will be available online. So if you're seeing this online, feel free to say drop me an email if you have problems with your business case or need some help. I'd be happy to share some information or share some guidance there.